What's the meaning of barque? Barque. Barque.
Bark. Bark. A barque, also spelled bark, is a type of sailing vessel that was commonly used in the 19th century. It is characterized by 3 or more masts, with the foremast being shorter than the others. The bark's sails are square-rigged on the foremast and mainmast, and fore and aft rigged on the mizzenmast. The barque was a popular choice for shipping cargo and passengers across long distances due to its versatility and speed. Many famous explorers and adventurers, including Captain Cook, used barques for their expeditions. Today, barques are mostly used for educational purposes or as tourist attractions, and can still be seen sailing in some parts of the world.